satisfied?
With what?
With that half-ass story!
What half-ass about it?
There's something left out of that story. What did you leave out? We have tracked down the lie which you're disgusted, and which you're drinking to kill your disgust with drink.
Come on out on the gallery and look at the fireworks they are shooting off for your birthday. Come on.
First, finish that remark you were making. Many happy returns when they know there won't be any. Wasn't that what you were saying?
Look, I can do it without that crush if I have to. But it will be a lot easier on the furniture and glassware if I didn't have to go along and sing it like Tarzan.
Finish what you were saying!
Leave the Cooper and May and their same little monkeys.
Leave the place, did you say?
All the 28,000 acres of the richest land of this valley Nile.
Who said anything about leaving the place to Cooper or anyone? This is my 65th birthday. I have at least 15 or 20 years more to live. Hell, I'll outlive you. I'll bury you and have to pay for your coffin. They find something? Cancer, maybe?
And that is a system we live in. Liquor is one way out, and death other. Look, Daddy. I'm sorry. I don't know what happened with my hair.